Welcome everyone to Finance JCL. I'll share a quick update on one of the stocks that we reviewed back in December. And that is K3 Capital Group. It's had an absolutely stonking day. You can see here on Google just the 5-day chart. Looking at £3, it's absolutely shot up today, which is 14th of April. And that's because of some really good news that's come out of the company. So if you're following that stock from the December 3 stocks to buy, yeah, you should be really pleased. I am planning on doing another 3 stocks to buy video in the coming weeks. So if you like that video, if you like that format, please give us a shout below, and I'll try and get that done soon if there's a good demand for it. Now, K3 Capital, it's all well and good. It's jumped up, which is great, and looking at my Simply Wall Street sort of YouTube video portfolio, if I'd bought one of each stock on the day that the video was done at that price, K3 actually heads the group on the total return. It'd be up 70%, including dividends, if you bought that stock, and assuming no trading fees, of course. So it's done really well, but can it do a bit more? So looking at, first of all, Yahoo Finance. So we can see this really big run up since, I guess, November time. So I actually bought the stock in October, so it started running up fairly quickly. And I did buy a bit on this dip here in, where are we, in February. There's this dip just here towards the end of Feb. And I bought a bit more there, so I'm obviously very pleased that's run up. Now, the news that's come out today, it's a very short information. It's their trading update. You know, the revenue is looking at £45 million, and adjusted EBITDA. I don't really like EBITDA because actually you should be telling us what the profit after tax is going to be, because that's the bottom line. But we can compare to previous years. This here is revenue 45 million, so it's quite a small company. Key thing here is to look at the previous set of results. So if we look at Yahoo Finance and look at the income statement, see that their revenue historically has been 11, 16, 14 and 15 million. And then the last results took it to 25 million. So for it to go up to 45 million, that is a massive increase in percentage terms. Really, really significant. Running 20 million, that's 80% up. They did make some acquisitions last year, so part of that benefit will be due to those acquisitions. So is there more to come, I guess, is the bigger question. And we look at Simply Wall Street, even on the updated price here, they reckon the fair value is £5.61. So it's the 338 now potentially is still 40% undervalued to that 561. And if we take a trip back in time to the 3 stocks to buy video, the fair value at the time, when it was £2, which is looking like a bit of a bargain now, it's £4.53. So the calculated potential of the company's gone from 453 to 561. So about £1.10-ish up. So it's a decent increase up. So 40% undervalued. Potentially, if this number is correct, there is still a margin of safety there. So I'd suggest you have a look at the company, see if you like them, do your own research, make your own decision. But it's had a great run. So perhaps drop a comment below if you're on K3 Capital after the 3 stocks to buy back in December. Yeah, drop a comment below and let me know how big it is in your portfolio. I think, interestingly, we've been chatting on this in the Patreon group. So if you'd like to join that and support the channel, get direct access to me and chat, there's a link down below. Both myself and my VIP patron, we both got K3 in our portfolio, so we're very pleased to see what's happening with it. We just have a look a bit more at Simply Wall Street. We look at this 45% forecast annual earnings growth. We are right up here to what is 14 million earnings in 2023. If we look back at Yahoo Finance, we can see that it's 4.5 million prior to the results that were released today. So there's definitely some more upside to go if the analyst predictions are correct. So just a short one there for you. K3 Capital Group, UK listed, looks like a really interesting one, and it looks like there might be still a bit more mileage in it. If you are aware of any other SMEs like this that have the potential to grow in this way, please share them below. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to have a look at those and perhaps do a review video on them. Some of these hidden gems that don't really have much analyst coverage, that's sometimes where you can make the silent killings, as I like to call them, those kind of relatively under the radar gains that you don't hear many people talk about on YouTube, that you don't see much press about, but nevertheless are strong and growing companies with low levels of debt. And just to finish, if you do want to buy K3 Capital, I'll leave a link down to my Freetrade account where you get a free share when you sign up, and you would need Freetrade Plus in order to buy K3 through that platform. So thanks very much. I'll catch you on the next one.